What are the functions of all those valves on a refrigeration unit? The expansion valve controls the refrigerant supply, ensuring optimal heat exchange in the evaporator. The solenoid valve is an electronic switch that immediately cuts off the refrigerant supply when the unit stops, preventing refrigerant buildup. The pressure relief valve monitors pressure in real time and automatically releases excess pressure, ensuring equipment safety. With each valve performing its specific function, the cold storage can maintain a continuous and stable temperature.